Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Amazon try-on haul. Today we are going to try on some long sleeve blouses. Spring is right around the corner, so you don't need so much the sweaters, but it's still a little chilly, so we still gotta have the long sleeves. So I've got 6 different long sleeve blouses to try on and see what we think. Okay, so the first one that I have is this very pretty, it is Lucky brand long sleeve V-neck blouse. Very pretty, kind of like a blossom pattern on it. If I could hold it up. So you got the V-neck on there, and then the front goes down and around and attached, so it's kind of got this little sideways thing going on. And then the sleeves have elastic with just a little bit of ruffle on it. I got the olive multicolor. There is like a pink and I think a blue color with the same design on it. It is 100% polyester. It is very light. So it'd be good for the warmer weather. Very pretty. Okay, so the next top I got is this, it is a Jessica Simpson, and I did get a size medium and everything. This is just has a solid crew neck blouse. Kind of almost feels like a ribbed t-shirt. I got the Mood Indigo black stripe. There's a couple other colors. It has like a ribbed texture on there. And then the sleeves do have kind of like the smocking on there with another, like, again, little ruffle. Very pretty, so it does kind of almost have like a balloon sleeve to it. The sleeves don't seem very long, but they are a good length. I thought it was super pretty. It is polyester viscose. It is polyester, viscose, and spandex, so it does have some stretch to it. Okay, so the next blouse is this, says casual, sweet and cute, loose shirt, balloon sleeve, V-neck blouse top. I got the wine red. It's got the V-neck on it, just balloon sleeve, elastic, and poofier at the bottom. It is a good length so that you can tuck it in if you want. It is polyester and spandex. It does not have very much stretch to it. It's very pretty, have a ton of colors. Can wear it casual or dress it up with like a skirt or slacks. Very lightweight. Okay, so the next top that I got is a Waffle Knit tunic blouse with a tie front. Henley says loose fitting and batwing. So it has the waffle texture on it. Has the buttons down the front, V-neck, and then on the bottom you've got the little ties to tie it up. It is lightweight as well. The sleeves might be a little bit shorter. I do like my sleeves longer. It is very pretty. This is the rust red color, but it's more like a mauvey purpley color. I really like it. It's a very pretty color. It says polyester and spandex, so it does have stretch to it. It is, I did get a medium. It looks kind of big though, but it does say it's loose fitting. So the buttons do actually button. So they're not decorative, they do really work. Okay, so the next shirt that I got, it is another Nautica. This one is long sleeve V-neck woven shirt. Again, a little simple but dressy too. Sleeves got the elastic, kind of the puffy sleeve also. Has kind of the little bit of the rounded hem on the bottom. The V-neck and the pleats around the back and the front to make it a little more dressy. This is the rose color. There is a couple other colors. It is 100% polyester, so again, it is lightweight. Okay, so the last blouse that I got is this long sleeve jacquard shine dot blouse. Very pretty. This is the Marcella color, and then they have two other colors. Has the ruff on the top with the elastic, goes partway down, and then the V-neck right there. Has the balloon sleeves as well, poofier on the bottom. Got the smocking on the sleeve, elastic, and a little bit of the ruffle. Very pretty dot pattern on there. Has the rounded hem. It is lightweight and is pretty see-through, so you probably want to wear a cami under that. Has the pleats in the back, and all around the neck is elastic. It is 100% polyester. Very pretty color. Okay, so my thoughts on these long sleeve blouses. I do like the waffle knit with the little tie in the front. Super cute. It is oversized. Like I said, I did get a medium, so it's got that oversized look to it. It is very comfy and very soft. I do like that. And it does come in lots of colors. The Jessica Simpson top, very cute. I love it. I love the color of it. I'm not really a stripes person on clothes, but I think this is super cute. And I love these smocked sleeves. Very cute. This one I'm not too thrilled with. I like the blossom pattern. It is on the shorter side. So if you don't like shorter shirts, then you probably won't like that. And it's kind of tight in the back between the shoulders, so when you go to move your arms like this, it tugs quite a bit. This one is super cute. It is a little bit see-through. It's kind of got that same problem with the sleeves, although not as bad as this one. It's got the super cute smocked sleeves though. Like the little dot pattern on it. Very cute. So that is the long sleeve blouses that I got. Maybe you saw something that you liked. If you did, I'll leave all the links for these down below in the description. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.